On this episode of Ice Road Truckers.
We are here in Bend, Oregon, and we got some awesome tips from people off of Instagram. So thank you everybody that talked to me on Instagram about what to do in Bend, Oregon. We're gonna go check out Tumalo Falls and a lake just north of there called, I forget, Todd Lake. I looked it up. So let's go check those out and see what that's about and anything else in the area. Should be an interesting day. Tumalo Falls, we made it. First stop of the day. Took us a little while. Nobody tells you about the road. The road was horribly potholed, but if you go slow, you can make it. You don't need four-wheel drive or anything.
That's pretty.
That is real pretty. Oh yeah, see there's a thing up top. I'll have to go do the overlook. What do you think? It's cold. I can't see your breath.
Dude, it was just so sunny and beautiful when we came through here. Like, I mean, it was gorgeous. You could like see for like, it was beautiful. And now the snow, like it started with just that the trees were blowing and it was coming off the trees. These are full on fat puffy flakes, like Mark says.
Yeah.
It is blowing. It's pretty.
These are snow flurries.
Yeah.
And the road's still terrible as we leave the waterfall.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is definitely not a awesome road, that's for sure.
A local told us this is the worst road in Bend, and I believe him. So in Florida, we get sunshine and rain. In Oregon, you get sunshine and snow. Like, how is it snowing and sunshine at the same time?
It feels like we're in the middle of winter, but it's not. It's only early November.
And like 10 minutes ago, the sun was shining and the road was fine.
Yeah, just like 2 miles back, the sun was shining. And yeah, now if you look around, it looks like we're in the middle of winter.
So what happened?
You guys never really rode on the snow like this during the Texas snowstorm, did you?
No, but I'm thankful for this truck now instead of the other one.
Yeah, four-wheel drive that I should probably kick on.
Especially since like we're heading to Cloudcroft, because I'll never forget that one little side road and you went whoop woo. It is really pretty though.
Dreaming of a white. We still got a mile to go.
I do feel like it makes me want to go home and like put on White Christmas and put Snuggies on and
Snuggies.
yes, and like Snuggie jammies and some hot chocolate and
With Biddy on her shoulder.
yeah, and just like watch.
We're down into the mid-20s, temperature-wise.
I'm gonna freeze to death. We're gonna colder.
Guys, we were talking to people that like live through negative 60. This is nothing.
Yeah.
We made it to Todd Lake. I asked the guy up at the waterfall if he thought there'd be snow. And he's like, oh, it's not that much higher than this waterfall, so it's probably not a lot of snow. You guys tell me what you think. There's a lot of snow. So, I don't even know if we're gonna get to the lake, but Bryce is already sledding down the road, so he's having fun. All right, we're on our way up to Todd Lake. This has a short little walk from the parking lot. So the kids were excited about those skiers. They're having a good time.
Beats sitting in the house all day.
It does beat sitting in the house. All right, so a very short walk from the parking lot.
This looks like a card that somebody sends out at Christmas time.
Yeah,
It's so pretty.
it's very pretty.
Like it's not sunny anymore, but it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tree. How'd that log feel? Okay. You're about to clear that. Fail. All right, now what are we doing?
We're making a snow fort.
Snow fort, huh?
But we're not going to cover the top.
How are we doing with it?
Good. Okay. Watch this. Can I remove it? No, don't remove it. Are we not going to remove it? Well, not right now. When I removed it, this wall stands up.
Okay.
We're doing pretty good.
You're doing pretty good. It looks like it.
And to stay hydrated, we're having snow.
Okay.
Yeah, they're licking snow. What? It's good. It tastes like... Whoa! I'm going to jump on my side. Daddy, you get ice. Okay, jump. Let's not... There we go. Okay, jump it on his side.
All right, well, we didn't make it very far around Todd Lake, but we sure had a lot of fun.
Uh-huh.
The kids had a ton of fun.
Dad, let's wait here.
You're waiting here for your buddy?
Yep.
Okay, we're waiting here for his buddy.
You guys are like penguins.
You guys do look like penguins.
Sliding on your bellies.
Penguins! I'm getting good for snow.
Kennedy's making more progress than you. Oh, now she's on the downslope.
What I'm going to do.
And Kennedy was never heard from again. All right, it is early November. Were you expecting this much snow?
I was not. I mean, no. But we're back up in the mountains, so it makes sense, I guess, right?
I guess.
I mean, I told you I got my text message that Copper's open this weekend for snow. So Colorado's snowy. And Yellowstone starts snowmobile stuff next weekend, so.
Yeah. Well, the kids are ready for round 2 of sledding out in the parking lot.
Yeah, I see that.
What are you doing right now?
Putting powdered sugar on my toast.
No, that's not toast.
Yes, it
Yeah,
is.
she tested it.
Toasted it.
Okay, so you slightly toasted. So you've got dry bread
With dry powdered sugar on it.
with dried powdered sugar. Are you a crazy person? What is happening right now? Look how much powder you're putting on.
I don't care. It's for the whole entire
Okay, YouTube, you tell me if that's way too much powdered sugar in the comments, because it is.
It's her bread. It's not.
It is.
I can put way more.
You're a crazy person.
I need sugar if we're gonna go sledding today.
So we're back at Todd Lake today for a second day of sledding and play in the snow. And everybody got dressed. Everybody has proper snow pants on today. 'Cause Cooper did not have snow pants on yesterday, and Kennedy had her waterproof hiking pants on. But anyway, so it is like 20. What was it, like 26 out or something? 27 or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the kids all bundled up before we came here, and if you've ever done that and then sat in your car for like, you know, a drive, you know it gets warm in the car with all your gear on, and Cooper's sitting in the middle in the back seat. So I think he got a little overheated with some nausea, and well, as soon as we got out of the car, he went and vomited.
And then what happened?
And then somebody's dogs came by and ate it.
Gross.
So gross.
Poor dude.
Now I'm sneezing out.
Yeah, orange boogers.
Are you feeling better? Yeah, he did.
Is that the red stuff?
Real quick,
Down the ski?
I got out of the car and I'm like, oh, look at that little kid over there like getting sick. Had no idea it was like Cooper because I just didn't recognize him in all of his snow stuff. And then I was like, wait a second, that's my kid throwing up. Poor little guy.
All right, let's go do some sledding.
You're not gonna make it. All right, so we are wrapping up our trip here at Bend. We've only been here for 3 days. We came here originally to try to go to Crater Lake, and that just didn't happen because of snow. We've had some serious snowfall the past couple days, so but not to, you know, the kids are disappointed because they're having a fantastic time. And Bend is really cute. It's been really good for us to re-provision a little bit because we are heading to some harvest hosts next.
Not a bad day, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Always leave comments down below. It really helps us out. The more you watch, the better we do. So thank you, everyone. I felt like that should rhyme. I'm not going to make it rhyme. All right, guys. See you next episode.